Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to change the chat type in the event you're trying to join your friends Among Us game. Like, let's say you're joining them through Steam, and it's kicking back an error. It's really easy to change that. So grab the lobby code from your friend, instead of trying to join off of them with the Steam friends list. Go to online, and when joining an online game, then down here at the bottom, click on Private and hit Enter a Code. This is where you would enter your lobby code that looks just like that when trying to join your friends to play a game. And you can select which chat mode you want to use. Quick chat is a more limited chat. You can only do like brief replies. And then free chat is like anything goes. You can type full sentences. You're not restricted in any way. So if you're getting an error that says you have to go into quick chat mode, you can switch it here. Or similarly, you can just leave it on free chat. And then when you're ready to join the lobby, just click on this arrow right here, and you should be good to go. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.